Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn the glycolysis stage of cellular respiration or energy. The cellular respiration is a process that the cells do in order to break down glucose to generate ATP. Aerobic respiration usually involves an oxygen molecule. The steps in the aerobic respiration are divided into 4 stages. We have the glycolysis, link reaction, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain. So let's learn the steps that are involved in glycolysis. Glycolysis takes place whether we have an oxygen molecule or we don't. So during glycolysis, glucose, or the 6-carbon molecule, will split into 2 molecules of pyruvate. So let's observe how this will take place. So at first, glucose is phosphorylated by a molecule of ATP. Phosphorylation means the addition of a phosphate group to a carbon molecule. This is achieved by using ATP. This process usually takes place twice. Now, this phosphorylated 6-carbon molecule will split into 3 carbon molecules, and it will release the hydrogen ions and electrons to be oxidized. NAD will accept these hydrogen ions and electrons for it to be reduced. Now, the oxidized 3-carbon molecule will be dephosphorylated by ADP. So ADP takes the phosphate group for it to be phosphorylated. The end product is a 3-carbon molecule called pyruvate. So let us summarize the stages of glycolysis. So we started off with a 6-carbon molecule called glucose that will be phosphorylated by ATP. This step takes place twice, so we need 2 ATP molecules. So that's the first ATP, and here's the second ATP. So this molecule will then be split into 2 3-carbon molecules. Each 3-carbon molecule will be oxidized by a NAD molecule, and this NAD molecule will then be reduced. Finally, this phosphorylated 3-carbon molecule will be dephosphorylated by ADP. So, 2 ATP molecules are generated from each 3-carbon molecule, giving us the end product, pyruvate. The end products of glycolysis are 2-pyruvate, to reduce the NAD, and a net gain of 2 ATPs.